President Bola Tinubu-led federal government has altered the October monthly Federation Account Allocation Committee FAAC revenue payments to Rivers State, contrary to reports on some online platforms on Friday. Mr. Bawa Mokwa, Director of Press in the Office of the Accountant General of the Federation, told Saturday Tribune that disbursement of October allocations to state and local government by FAAC is ongoing. He explained that Rivers State will benefit from a subsisting appeal stay out of execution order. Meanwhile, the Court of Appeal, Abuja Division on Friday, reserved judgment in 5 separate appeals rising from the judgment of a federal high court in Abuja on the Rivers State government political crisis. One of the appeals is against the judgment of the High Court which stopped the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) from releasing federal allocation to Rivers State. The presiding justice of the Court of Appeal, Abuja Division, Justice Ama Baka, reserved the judgment to a date that will be communicated to the parties after all processes filed in the appeals were adopted by counsel. While adopting his brief of argument in the appeal, Yusuf Ali, son representing the governor of Rivers State, Siminalai Fubara, in appeal number CA/ABJ/CV/1303/2024, prayed the court to consolidate the 5 appeals, a request the court granted. It will be recalled that Justice Joyce Abdulmalik of the Federal High Court Abuja had in a judgment delivered on 30th of October to stop the Central Bank of Nigeria from further releasing monthly financial allocations to Rivers State government. The court held that the receipt and disbursement of monthly allocations since January this year by Governor Fubara is a constitutional somersault, an aberration that must not be allowed to continue. Justice Abdulmalik, who issued the order in a judgment in the suit filed by the Rivers State House of Assembly, and Right Honorable Martin Chike Amaule as its speaker, held that the presentation of the 2024 budget by Fubara before a 4-member Rivers State House of Assembly was an affront to the constitutional provision. The judge specifically held that Fubara's action in implementing unlawful budgets marked gross violations of the 1999 Constitution he swore to protect, and consequently restrained the Apex Bank, the Accountant General of the Federation, Zenith Bank, and Access Bank from further allowing Fubara to access money from the Consolidated Revenue and Federation account. According to the judge, the judgment of the Rivers State High Court, which gave power to the governor to implement the 2024 budget, has also been set aside by the Court of Appeal. She said, the appropriation bill for January to December 2024 being operated by the 5th defendant, Fubara, having not been passed by the lawful House of Assembly is illegal, unlawful, and subversion of the 1999 Constitution. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.